Whether you're a great singer or you're kind of awful, I have 5 karaoke tips for everyone. I can't believe I haven't brought this up yet, but I love karaoke. I even have a necklace with a microphone. But really, it is my favorite thing to do. Maybe second now to videos. This is pretty fun. And I feel like I'm qualified to talk about this subject because I'm a karaoke regular, and apparently I've done enough karaoke to see a pattern and come up with 5 tips in the first place. So let's start with some basics, okay? Karaoke is kind of a weird name. As a matter of fact, I think I'm the only person I know that can spell it correctly. It's Karaoke. Some might say karaoke. I tell people when they say they don't like karaoke that it means everybody can participate in Japanese, which is a total lie. So I actually looked it up today, and it means empty orchestra. Tip number 1, song selection. Song selection is all about coming prepared with a song that you want to sing / can sing. So my recommendations are, come prepared with an idea of what you want to sing. If you have difficulty thinking of songs, listen to Pandora. Pull up a couple stations that you know you like, maybe genres that really appeal to you, and as you hear songs, write them down. Make a little note on your phone that says karaoke list. And when you think you have found a good song, sing it to yourself. Maybe in the shower, maybe in the car, maybe in the elevator. And ask yourself, how does this sound? Really? If you're not that strong of a singer, pick crowd pleasers. Pick songs that other people will typically sing along to. Bum, bum, bum. Sing a dance song, because the majority of the time, you're dancing. Dance break. Tip number 2. It's all about the performance. By performance, I mean the logistics of when you're singing, as well as how you act when you're singing. As far as logistics go, just don't yell into the mic. Woo! Or death metal scream. Woo! Or tap on it. Testing. I think what separates a good karaoke person from a not so good karaoke person is the presence that they have. If you're all nervous and jittery, you're gonna look nervous and jittery. Own it. Whether you're a good singer or you're not. You gotta sing it like you wrote it, sing it like you wrote it. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to karaoke and the person was singing a song, girl, they had no business singing. But you know what? They were troopers, and they danced, and they played around, and they had fun, and they interacted with the crowd, and they were amazing. Tip number 3, support. We all know there's courage in numbers, and the best ways to get support is either bring people with you, people that are going to cheer for you regardless of what you sound like. You can also have support by being a regular somewhere. If a place close to you has karaoke every Wednesday, and you're a Wednesday regular, you get to know the other Wednesday regulars, and that's your own support system. Or if you really like the karaoke host, then ask where else they're playing and follow them, because they probably have followers too. Tip number 4, don't be a jerk. You can be a jerk as an audience member. You can also be a jerk as a singer. As an audience member, never should you ever approach someone that's singing that isn't asking you to come on stage. It is so rude, and it's creepy. And most importantly, if someone is singing your song, don't be all pissy pantalones and not clap for them or say things like, I sing it so much better. Who are you? You're a monster. Instead, be supportive as an audience member, because remember, you might be singing later on and somebody's gonna remember that. You can also be a jerky singer when you pick a song that's like 6+ minutes. Every time I hear Hotel California, I hear that sound, that dee-doo-dee-doo-doo. Oh! I can't. Because if you're singing a song that spans over the time of 2 or 3 regular songs. Tip number 5, have fun. Keep a couple things in mind. First, who cares anyway? You don't know any of these people, regardless of how you do. Who cares? Also, it's not a contest, so you have no need to be nervous. There's no winners. It's karaoke, remember? Everybody can participate. Or empty orchestra. I like everybody can participate. I hope that you find these tips helpful, and if anything, I hope I've made some more karaoke fans in this world. If I missed any best practices that you use, please comment below and share. I know this was a little bit different than my regular story videos, which I love to do, but I also like to give tips or best practices, if you will, on different topics. If there's any other best practices you're wondering about, let me know. I will share with you. Oh, we're sharing. It's like we're friends. Alright friends, you can subscribe to my channel for videos I'll put out every Tuesday. You can also follow me throughout the week on Instagram at Jessica Happens or on Twitter at Jess Attempts. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye!